One of the ways we manage lung cancer is also radiation. Now, radiotherapy or radiation techniques are emerging. They are becoming more and more focused. And then we talk about precision radiation as well. So let me ask Dr. Madhusudan sir, who is our head of the department here, to talk about lung cancer and radiation.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the wonderful question. Radiation therapy, like other modalities of treatment like surgery and then chemotherapy, it's also another form of treatment where it can be used in all stages, but the intent differs. In stage 1, radiation therapy can be used alternative to surgery, or when the patient is medically not fit to undergo the surgery, we can use as a curative treatment. The results with radiation therapy is as good and as equal to the surgery in stage 1 and stage 2 patients. In stage 3 patients, where we feel that surgically it is not possible to resect the tumor, but we can still give the option of cure by combining the radiation therapy with the chemotherapy. In stage 4 cancer, that means the tumor has spread to other places like brain, bone, or any other central nervous system compression like spinal cord compression, or a limited metastasis to the liver, we can use radiation therapy either to control or we can also to cure when there is a limited metastasis.
So, as Sir rightly said, radiation can be used in 3 different settings. One is localized tumor. The second setting is loco-regional disease, when another modality like chemotherapy and sometimes immunotherapy or biologic therapy is also used. And the third setting is advanced stage or stage 4 cancers, where it can either be used in palliative setting, or if there is a limited metastatic disease known as oligometastatic disease, then it can still be used as a definitive modality. Thanks so much.